Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 14.
SuperMath number 14. This is a challenge problem from the from your review section in your geometry book. And here's the question. So the angles in the diagram are marked as shown, 50, 50, 60, and
90.
90, and you're supposed to find angle BEA. Okay?
Yep.
Alright. Pretty good challenge problem, actually.
Well, this angle is 130.
Okay.
So we need to find this one.
Yeah, that's the angle we're trying to find. Yep.
If we could find out this angle, this one, the AEG
Right.
angle.
That would really be nice, wouldn't it?
This one's also 90.
Okay.
This is 30, but it doesn't make much of a difference. Let's see. So this is the angle here.
Yeah.
Could this angle be 90?
Good question to ask, actually.
Because this is 60. This angle.
Right. Good question to ask. Could that angle be 90?
Well, this line is definitely straight because it's perpendicular to this line.
Okay, well, it's a line.
Yeah.
It's also perpendicular to that line. So those angles are both 90, definitely.
How could we find out? Well, could we say anything about this angle here?
Yeah, that's a very good question to be thinking about.
Because we have this quadrilateral here.
Okay, we have a quadrilateral.
50, 90, 130, and something else.
Okay.
But we don't know much about quadrilaterals.
True.
So what else can we say? Well, how about we draw a line that's perpendicular? That line's perpendicular to this line.
Okay.
So I mean, this is 40.
Yeah. I mean, that angle's going to be a little tricky
Yeah.
to find.
That's not gonna work.
You have two good questions that you've asked. One is, can you say anything about this angle? And you think it might be 90. That's one thing to maybe think about. And the second thing is, could you say anything about a quadrilateral? That's another good thing to be thinking about.
Well, a square is a quadrilateral.
Okay.
Its angles sum up to be 360.
Okay.
So maybe quadrilateral sum up to be 360. The angles in a quadrilateral.
Maybe.
Well, if we act on that, then this indeed would be 90.
Ah, okay. So if we could somehow show that angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360, then you would have that being 90. Okay. How could you show that?
Well, if we could split it into triangles, maybe.
Okay.
Well, what triangles could we split it into?
Yeah.
There's this triangle.
There's that triangle. So now you split it into that triangle, and that seems to capture all your angles.
Yeah, except how much of this angle is over here and here?
Right, we don't know that. But what do you know?
We know this angle.
What do you know about triangles?
They sum up to be 180. So 180, 180.
Okay. Do you need to know what these angles are?
No. So this indeed is 90.
Alright. There you go. It's 90. Good plan. Your angles in a triangle adding up to 180 really helps. The other way to see that this is 90 is this angle's 50, this angle's 50. See that? Means those lines are parallel. Okay, so this cuts across two parallel lines, so these angles have to be the same.
And the angle we're trying, this angle, that's 60 plus 90 plus that is 180.
Right?
So it's 30.
It's 30. Okay. Which makes this angle here 110, but that's harder to see.
Yeah.
Alright? Okay. Alright. Good job. Good job.